Hi, I'm Mark Dunlop from the University of Strathclyde. This is the first video supporting the Web App Development class at Strathclyde. This video is going to be really short. It's just helping set up Devweb. That's where we're going to do most of our development in this class. So what you need for this video is a web browser. I'm going to use Chrome. I'll use Chrome throughout this course because it's got really good debugging tools. Safari, Firefox have also got good debugging tools. Whatever you want. You also need a way to edit files on Unix. If you're in the lab in our class in Strathclyde, files are on your desktop. You just go to the right drive and edit them there. If you're at home, you can use an SFTP client. That's a secure FTP client. There's a bit of confusion over FTP clients. The old FTP isn't secure, so we don't support it. There is a proper standard called SFTP, which is a secure file transfer protocol. There's also various halfway houses which we don't support either. And sometimes they're annoyingly called FTPS or sometimes even SFTP. But if you go looking for an SFTP client, you'll probably win. On Windows, WinSCP is good. On macOS, they're gloriously named and iconed CyberDuck. On Linux, there's a wide choice. FileZilla seems to be good, although I've not used it. And likewise on Android and FTP seems pretty good. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go to your browser. Boom. Where you want to visit in your browser is Devweb and then the year, which is 2017 for me just now, .cis.strath.ac.uk/tilde, which is the shift hash, recurvy thing. So that's a tilde, and then my username is AES02112. Obviously, you've got different usernames. This is the username you use when you log into our labs. Okay, so it's Devweb, then the year, this is 2017, so Devweb 2017.cis.strath.ac.uk/tilde AES02112. For me, you put your username here, and if this is not 2017, you put the year there. Boom. Hopefully, what then happens is we wait a wee while for Devweb. It says that it's building our website. The first time you visit, it has to create indexes for you. This is all set up, and now it's here. So that's awesome. Part 1, done. Now we use an SFTP client to log in and edit this file. This is actually the index.html that's been created for us. So if we go to our SFTP client, I'm using WinSFTP. I've actually bookmarked it, but I'll just do it raw to show you how it works. So you do cafe.cis.strath.ac.uk. So it's cafe as in drinking coffee place. .cis.strath.ac.uk. Your username, so I'm again AES2, and then your password. So it's just your normal lab login password. First time you run it, it will ask you if you want to store the cache data. I've already been here, so that's done. Once you log in, you'll see your Unix directory space. Go to Devweb. You should have a 2017 folder there, which was created by doing this. If you don't, you have to go to your browser and visit the page first. That'll create it. In here, we have a single file called index.html. If you edit that, now I've set up WinSCP, it edits in Notepad++. By default, it uses the internal browser. Doesn't matter. And if you're using a different SFTP client, it will open it somehow. But normally HTML files are opened in a text editor. So it opens it up, and here you're seeing your HTML. So this is the HTML of the default web page. Okay, so if we go back here, you can see default, Devweb default page, it's here. This is the default welcome page. This is where it's at. And in here, you've got the header, default web page. So I can put my name here. Okay. And I can add some other comments. Save that file. Your SFTP client We'll upload it back to the server, and you refresh the page, you can see that you've changed it. And that's us. We're basically, now we've got our web page set up, we can edit our web pages happily. Next video, we're going to look at setting up IntelliJ.